Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Credit.
What does the dictionary say?
The ability of a customer to obtain goods or services before payment, based on the trust that payment will be made in the future system of lines, etc.
Math rap.
Whether credit cards or your credit score, credit has a lot in store. Credit gives you the chance to purchase goods or services in advance. Whether credit cards or your credit score, credit has a lot in store. Credit gives you the chance to purchase goods or services in advance.
Math rap.
I give you a lot of credit if you understand this math concept. Explain what credit is in your own words. What are the advantages and disadvantages of paying for a new video game system by credit card rather than by cash? Research. What is a credit score? The higher the score, the better? Explain. Research. What is a credit interest rate? The higher the better? Explain. Fill out a practice credit application. Why do they need so much information? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!